Talk a little more about that wind here across central Indiana. We saw several homes that were damaged. A homeowner in Decatur Township narrowly escaped after a tree fell onto his home. And that man, he was inside at the time. This is what's left of his home along Mesa Drive on the southwest side. It's not much. Firefighters responded and found that tree completely uprooted and on top of the house. The homeowner made it out of that house okay. A homeowner in Zionsville is also dealing with damage after a tree fell on their property. It ended up leaning against the garage. The Zionsville Fire Department responded to multiple reports of trees and other debris on the roadway.
Yeah, the wind causing problems throughout the state as well. In Fort Wayne, 2 homes caught fire when winds knocked a tree down into a power line, which set the attic spaces on fire. The fire department shut off the power as it worked to extinguish those flames. One firefighter suffered minor injuries and was treated at the scene. Thankfully, no other injuries were reported.